Are you a gardener looking for a new, exciting challenge that yields delicious results? Imagine harvesting fresh gourmet mushrooms right from your kitchen or garden shed. It's easier than you think, and today we're going to show you exactly how. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the entire process of growing mushrooms at home, specifically tailored for conditions in North America. Get ready to transform your gardening skills and enjoy a bountiful, unique harvest. For beginners in North America, certain mushroom varieties are much more forgiving. Oyster mushrooms, including pearl, pink, and blue oysters, are excellent choices due to their vigorous growth and adaptability. Lion's mane is another popular option, known for its unique texture and health benefits, though it might require a bit more attention. Shiitake mushrooms are also viable, but often take longer to fruit. Start with oysters for the highest chance of success. Before you begin, gather your essential tools and materials. You'll need mushroom spawn, which is essentially the seed of your mushrooms. Substrate material is crucial. This is what your mushrooms will grow on. Common substrates include hardwood sawdust, straw, or even coffee grounds. You'll also need grow bags or containers, a spray bottle for humidity, and a clean, temperature-controlled environment. A pressure cooker or large pot for sterilization is often necessary. The substrate is the food source for your mushrooms. For oyster mushrooms, a mix of hardwood sawdust and soy hulls, or even pasteurized straw, works wonderfully. Ensure your substrate is properly hydrated, but not waterlogged. The most critical step here is sterilization or pasteurization. This eliminates competing molds and bacteria, giving your mushroom spawn the best chance to thrive. Use a pressure cooker for sterilization or a large pot for pasteurization. Once your substrate is cool, it's time to introduce the mushroom spawn. This process, called inoculation, must be done in as clean an environment as possible to prevent contamination. Work quickly and efficiently. Break up the spawn and mix it thoroughly with your prepared substrate. Aim for an even distribution throughout the material. This ensures the mycelium can colonize the substrate effectively. After inoculation, place your inoculated substrate into grow bags or containers. Seal them properly, leaving a small filter patch or opening for gas exchange. This stage is all about allowing the mycelium to colonize the substrate. Store your bags in a dark, warm place, typically between 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 to 4 weeks. You'll observe white, thread-like growth spreading throughout the substrate. This is the mycelium. Once the substrate is fully colonized, it's time to induce fruiting. This involves exposing the mycelium to specific environmental triggers. Move your bags to a cooler, brighter location, but avoid direct sunlight. The ideal temperature for fruiting varies by mushroom type, but is often between 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit for many common varieties. High humidity is paramount during this stage. Mushrooms are mostly water, so consistent high humidity is vital for their development. Mist your grow bags or the surrounding air several times a day with a spray bottle. Aim for 85–95% humidity. Good airflow is also crucial to prevent carbon dioxide buildup, which can inhibit mushroom growth. Ensure your fruiting chamber or area has some ventilation, but without drying out the air too much. Within a week or two of initiating fruiting conditions, you'll start to see tiny mushroom pins emerge. These will rapidly grow into mature mushrooms. Harvest them just before the caps fully flatten out. To harvest, gently twist the mushroom cluster off the substrate at its base. Avoid pulling, which can damage the mycelium and reduce future yields. You can often get multiple flushes or harvests from a single block. Contamination is a common challenge for beginners. If you see green, black, or orange mold, discard the affected substrate immediately to prevent it from spreading. Sterilization and cleanliness are your best defense. If your mushrooms are leggy or small, it often indicates insufficient fresh air exchange. Increase ventilation in your fruiting area. If they are dry and cracked, boost your humidity levels. Patience is key in mushroom cultivation. Not every attempt will be perfect, but each experience offers valuable learning. Experiment with different substrates and conditions to find what works best for your environment. Growing mushrooms at home is a rewarding journey that connects you deeper with your food source. With the right knowledge and a little patience, you can enjoy fresh, gourmet mushrooms year-round. We hope this guide empowers you to start your own mushroom cultivation adventure. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tutorials. Happy growing!